So, so hi, it's a pleasure to be here. It's my first time that I'm talking about this subject. I think it's the first time that you are listening about the role of student club in Web3. I'm sorry at the beginning because I'm quite sick. We had a huge and incredible HCC week, and we worked well with Cryptosphere, with organization of events, etc. So I'm Maxim, the head of content and communication at Cryptosphere. Cryptosphere is the biggest student association in Web3 in Europe, and at the beginning it wasn't like today because we had maybe 4 or 5 founder members, and they found a problem is that projects, people, and etc. Said that okay, you are a student, but what you will contribute to us, so what the benefits of your ideas, etc. You are a student, so you have no credibility, you made nothing in life. And when I joined Cryptosphere 2 years ago, I found this same thing when I went to events, to conferences, etc. I I told to people that I'm a student. I discussed with some people, hey, my name is Maxim, I'm a student at Cryptosphere. They said, oh, nice, you're a student. See you, bye. See you later. And and after 1, 2, 3, 4 conferences, I found that okay, so okay, I'm a student, but I contribute much. I'm making podcasts, articles, etc. in France, and and they just said that okay, you said that you're a student. So I changed my pitch at the beginning to meet new people. I said that okay, I'm making content and communication for a company, for a club. So and it's quite strange because students, okay, you are a student, but you are curious about this subject. So why do you saying that? And I at the moment I found that okay, some people were students where they create companies, and I found that there is many companies in the 2000s that create big companies when they were a student and a part of a student club. So let's go back to the period of the 2000s, and the Web 1.0 was quite similar as the Web 3 today. There were many problems to solve. The people were very enthusiastic because it was like a sandbox. Like today, you are testing many things, many tools. The most popular social media in 2000 was MySpace. So today it don't exist. And there were few consumer innovation. The general public, the like we are talking today, didn't use at this period internet. And at this time, some student club decided to deep dive to internet in Stanford, in Oxford, but also in other schools in the world. And some projects, some companies started and began. For example, Facebook, Dropbox, Snapchat was a part of it. They were students, a part of student club, and we see the same thing today because at Cryptosphere there is many projects that are creating, and maybe you know Morpho, the project for the concurrent of Aave, was created by two students from Cryptosphere, and they they created during a hackathon made in Cryptosphere. So we are living the same thing that's in the 2000s. So what they do, they tested the project. They are tested during hackathons, during projects, during conferences, etc. Maybe at 99% they failed, but many of them repeat, and after this time they succeed. And for example, Morpho succeed at Cryptosphere, but also in the 2000 Facebook succeed, Snapchat succeed, Dropbox succeed. So what's the current problem for students today and also during the 2000s is that students have few skills and they are not really competent because they don't live they had maybe 20, 23, 24 years ago, 24 years, and 20 years ago it was the same. They have few resources. They have also lack of experience in mentoring because they know few people, and they have limited network. So what's the solution, do you think? It's to join a student club, because a student club like Cryptosphere, you can organize events, participate to those events, creating and organizing a hackathons, participating to workshop and also learn. For example, I'm making an incredible talk at Nebular Summit, and it's a pleasure to meet new people from this ecosystem. And with that, I'm expanding my network, I grow my skills, and I understand better the ecosystem. So, in short, a student club is a community, but also is a network. And finally, a student club is a launchpad. And also, a student club is a family because you are creating links with people that are different. You can see developers, business, lawyers, and association and student club like Cryptosphere. You see so many different people, you meet so many different people that you are expanding your vision of the life, and it's not only professional but also personal, so you can grow and expand this. So thank you for your listening. It was a pleasure to be here, and see you soon. Yeah. We are active essentially in France. We have 20 campuses, 20 schools in France, but also we have two schools in London and one in Belgium. No, for example, I'm in a business school, but it's probably 50-50 between technical and business lawyer universities. So, for example, I'm a student. I I see that there is no student association linked to Web3. I see that Cryptosphere is existing, so I contact Cryptosphere and I can create in my school. Yeah, 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 yeah. Sure. Yeah. Uh, There is one or two school. I think Essilv is a school in Paris that have a program on blockchain, but there is very few. And with a student association like Cryptosphere, there is changing because they see that it's becoming more popular.